How to use Insightly CRM Advanced properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Insightly CRM Advanced is designed to help teams manage leads, projects, and customer relationships efficiently. Yet beginners often make mistakes that cost productivity, insight, and revenue. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: proper setup and usage are crucial. A common error is not customizing pipelines and stages. Insightly allows tailored pipelines for sales, onboarding, or support. Beginners often use default stages, which may not reflect their business process. For instance, skipping a qualification stage can cause unqualified leads to clutter the pipeline, slowing your team's workflow. Customizing pipelines ensures clarity and efficiency. Another mistake is underusing task automation. Insightly can automatically assign tasks, send reminders, and trigger follow-ups. Beginners frequently handle tasks manually, wasting time and risking missed deadlines. Automation keeps your team on track and ensures leads are engaged promptly. Data management is another pitfall. Duplicate records or incomplete information can cripple reporting and decision-making. Beginners often import contacts without validation, leading to messy databases. Regularly cleaning and updating records keeps insights accurate and actionable. Reporting is often underutilized. Insightly Advanced offers detailed analytics for sales, marketing, and project performance. Beginners may overlook custom reports or dashboards, missing trends that inform strategy. For example, tracking deal closure rate by source can reveal which marketing channels are most effective. Finally, collaboration is frequently ignored. Insightly allows teams to share notes, documents, and project updates, but beginners may work in silos. Using team features ensures everyone has visibility, improving communication and reducing errors. To use Insightly CRM Advanced properly, customize pipelines, leverage automation, maintain clean data, utilize reports, and collaborate effectively. Avoiding these mistakes turns Insightly into a powerful tool that drives sales, efficiency, and growth.